Hello, I am Professor Ashish Dasab Shinde, working professor in NB Navale Sinhagad College of Engineering, Solapur. Now today we are going to study regarding to the closed and open loop configurations of operational amplifier. We have to study operational amplifier in both closed and open loop configuration. In open loop configuration, we have to study differential amplifier, inverting and non-inverting amplifier. Before starting the open loop configuration, first we go through the symbol of op-amp. Already we studied symbol of the op-amp, pinout structure of IC 741. See here, there are the two input terminals, non-inverting terminal, second is inverting terminal, and one output, and positive power supply and negative power supply. Positive power supply is called as the plus VCC and negative power supply is called as the minus V. It is a symbol of the op-amp. Remember, op-amp has two inputs. One is non-inverting, second one is inverting, and one output is present. And plus VCC and minus V, it is a applied at pin number 7 and 4 respectively. Now first, see here, open loop configuration. See the diagram. In the diagram, in open loop configuration, there is no connection exist in between input and output. That is, there is any feedback is present. See here, symbol of the op-amp, pin number 3, pin number 2, pin number 7, pin number 4 and pin number 6. Pin number 3 is non-inverting input, pin number 2 is inverting input, pin number 7 it is a plus VCC, pin number 4 it is a minus V, and at pin number 6 we take a output. See here, R1 and R2, these are the two input resistance. V in 1, it is a AC power supply applied at non-inverting input terminal. V in 2, it is the AC power supply applied at inverting input terminal. And RL, it is a load resistance connect at the output. It is a diagram. So op-amp, it is a versatile device. Versatile means it can amplify both AC as well as DC. It can work for the both AC as well as DC, so it is called as the versatile device. As shown in a diagram, V0 in open loop configuration, V0 is equal to capital A, V in 1 minus V in 2. Difference in two input voltages, that 1 minus V in 2. It is a basic differential amplifier in open loop configuration. Yes, all of clear? First configuration, see here, open loop configuration. We are going to study differential amplifier in open loop configuration. In short, in open loop configuration, feedback connection present in between input and output. Here we are going to apply the two AC power supply, that is the V in 1 and V in 2 at the input of op-amp, and we take the output at pin number 6, It works according to the definition of differential amplifier. Output of differential amplifier is difference in between two input voltages, that is V in 1 minus V in 2. Capital is a voltage gain. In open loop configuration, gain A is commonly referred to as open loop gain. It is open loop gain. Next, inverting amplifier. As its name, what is the name here? Inverting amplifier. See, in a symbol of the op-amp, we are going to apply the power source, AC power supply, only at inverting terminal. So, it is a name as inverting amplifier. We have to apply the power supply or input at only inverting terminal. So, it is a name as a inverting amplifier. Other terminal, that is the pin number 3. Pin number 3, it is a non-inverting terminal. You have to connect to ground. Pin number 3, you have to connect to the ground. Now see here, we get the output V0 is equal to capital A inside the bracket V in 1 minus V in 2. But what is here? V in 1 or V1, it is a 0. So we get output V0 is equal to minus A V in 2. Here negative sign indicates that the output voltage is out of phase with respect to input by 180 degree. In inverting amplifier, we get the output as inverted. We get the amplified, but it is inverted. You are getting the opposite sign. You get the negative sign here. Yes, all of clear for the inverting amplifier. Inverting amplifier capital A, it is again voltage gain produced by the op-amp, and we are going to apply the input at only one terminal, that the inverting terminal at pin number 2. Other terminal we make the ground. It is the inverting amplifier. See below. Non-inverting amplifier. Now what is here? See in a diagram. In a non-inverting amplifier, now it is exact opposite to inverting amplifier. In non-inverting amplifier, you have to connect inverting terminal, that is the pin number 2, to ground, inverting terminal to the ground, and apply the supply or apply the power source, AC power supply, to pin number 3, that is the non-inverting terminal. So it is called as the non-inverting amplifier. Due to this, we get the output V0 is equal to capital A dot V in 1. So what is here? Output is in phase with respect to input. Yes. See here. Same thing. V0 is equal to capital A V in 1. Here V2. It is a voltage at inverting terminal. It is a 0. So we get the output in phase with respect to input. These are the open loop configuration, that is inverting amplifier, non-inverting amplifier. These are the basic two configurations, inverting amplifier and inverting amplifier. As well as first one, there is a differential amplifier. It will works according to the definition of differential amplifier. Next, we have to study closed loop configuration. We have to study the block diagram of closed loop configuration of op-amp. So what is the basic? Closed loop means there is a connection exists in between input and output. There is a feedback. Feedback is present in a closed loop configuration, we have to connect the output to the input in closed loop configuration. These are the types of closed loop configuration. First one, voltage series configuration. Second, voltage shunt configuration. Third, current series configuration. And fourth one, current shunt configuration. See the block diagram. Op-amp, in each block there is a op-amp and feedback circuit is present. I will repeat, in each block op-amp and feedback circuit is present, and output it is connected back to the input with the help of that feedback circuit. See the block diagrams. Block diagram. Closed loop configuration. Closed loop configuration means output is connected to the back to the input with the help of the feedback circuit. It is shown in these four block diagram. First one, see here, voltage series. Second, voltage shunt. Third, current series. And fourth, current shunt. These are the four different configurations of closed loop configurations of operational amplifier. What is here? Vin, in each block, Vin, it is a input power supply, input AC power supply. V0, it is output. RL, it is a load connected at the output. VF, it is a feedback voltage. IF, it is a feedback current. These are the different terms. These are present in the block diagram. IB, it is a base current. These are the different currents. IB, it is a base current to the operational amplifier. I think all of clear regarding to the closed loop and open loop configurations of the op-amp. Next lecture, we are going to continue with voltage series feedback amplifier. Thank you.